Hello everybody, this is Chuck again with I hope a helpful tip on nutrition today. We're going to talk about intermittent fasting. You know, this is a time when people have really focused January and February and March, really trying to get back in better shape and to really lose weight being a big focal point, especially at InShape MD. Right behind me is some pictures of before and after shots, common thing this time of year. But in the mix of all this information of trying to lose weight, people hear all these key words. They hear the words intermittent fasting, they hear the words paleo, they hear the words ketogenic, they hear the words HCG. Over the next couple of days, I'm going to put out 4 videos and explain each one of them in a little detail that might set you off into a position that you might want to Google or learn more about those things, and if each one's right for you. I'm not going to say that any one is better than the other. I think it's an individual thing, and it has to do with your health history, it has to do with your age, it has to do with what you've tried to do, it has worked and has not worked for you. But I want to try to break this down that you can get some education, and if you really like it, maybe you can share. So let's talk about intermittent fasting. The sum of intermittent fasting is about eating into a time zone. So for example, it's about eating over an 8-hour period of time and really having 16 hours off. There's many ways to fast. There's lots of science behind fasting and the benefits it has for our bodies, but we're going to talk about a daily fast. So for example, if you eat between 11 and 7 every day, that's your 8 hours window of eating. That means you'll have 16 hours of no eating. For a lot of people, this does a lot of great things. One is that the positive side of intermittent fasting is that you're really not counting calories in that period of time. I'm not saying you can go eat a bunch of Twinkies or Ho-Hos. You know, you have to be old to know what a Ho-Ho is. But the idea is, Brian Zimmerman knows what a Ho-Ho is. But the idea is that you have to be in a position that you're laying out your food, you're eating quality food, you're staying within all your proper groups, you're eating your meat, your vegetables, your fruit, and your nuts, but not counting calories in an 8-hour period of time. 16 hours without eating is great for your digestive system, and it really breaks down food, and there's a lot of benefits. It's been linked to really great for anti-aging. It's been proven that when you fast, it slows down the aging process. And so a lot of people like intermittent fasting. I know for me, I've done intermittent fasting. I kind of enjoy it, but my schedule allows that to happen because I start my day very early. I'm not hungry at 5:30 in the morning, and around 11 o'clock it's time to eat. And then from 11 to 7, I eat in that window, and then after 7, I eat no food, and it really helps. That might be something you could look into. I'm not trying to give a plus or a minus to this over others. I'm trying to let you know what it is. You know, the benefits, again, is that you're not counting calories. The benefits are that you're going 16 hours without eating. The benefits are it's great for digestion. The benefits are it's good for anti-aging. There are more benefits. The cons are that you may be a little hungry when you first make that change. You're going for a long period of time without eating, but you got to get used to it. And the benefits is that you're probably going to eat less calories because you're really going to eat 2 meals in a day. If you're typically a person who does fasting, skips the breakfast, and they have a lunch and a dinner. So inadvertently, by having 2 meals a day and a snack in between, that's going to be 1 less meal and 1 less snack. So you're probably going to consume less calories in that period of time. So you just get used to that. Over a period of time, you give something at least 3 weeks of trying it, see how that works for you. This could be the thing that sets it apart for you, that really becomes the thing that really puts you in the right direction. Everybody needs a thing, right? This could be your thing. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about paleo, but today's all about intermittent fasting. So would you do intermittent fasting? You know, I think it's a great thing for a lot of people. It may be great for you, and I hope this is helpful to you. So until tomorrow, I'll see you the next time, and again, have a wonderful day and make a difference in someone's life. Thank you. Bye-bye.